And that's basically because you're selling a security. And so the law says basically if you have an investment of money in a common enterprise with an expectation of profit, primarily from the work of someone else. So a way to summarize that, if you're taking passive capital, so if somebody's writing you a check and they're just expecting bigger checks back, then it's likely that you're selling a security. And so the law says you either have to register that security, so go public essentially, or have an exemption from registration. And so we help clients with the exemptions because one, going public is very expensive. And if we're talking about your standard real estate deal, just the timeline's just not going to work. It takes quite a bit of time. And so you're selling an exempt security. And so we make sure you understand what that is. And then probably the next thing I'd ask is I'd say, what do you think your investors look like financially? And mainly what I'm trying to get at is, are they accredited or sophisticated? For those who don't know, and what two of the main ways you become accredited as an individual is either through income or net worth. And so if you're an individual, if you have an income of $200,000 or more, and you've had that for the past 2 years, and you expect to have that or more this year, then we say you're accredited. So you make $200,000 as an individual, you're accredited. Or if we're talking about spouses, then we up that number to 300,000. So if you're talking about it by income wise, individuals is $200,000, spouses is 300,000. If you meet those numbers, you're accredited. Another way is by your net worth. And so there, whether you have a spouse or you're an individual, if you have a net worth of $1 million or more, excluding your primary residence, then you're accredited as well. And so we try to figure out, okay, do you think most of your investors are accredited or are they something else? Because that helps us understand which exemptions apply. The most common exemption that I use for real estate is Regulation D.